Hello and welcome everybody to the walk around video here at your next car of the 29 GO5 X5 M50D. The vehicle's coming in a very recent part exchange and is a beautiful example of possibly the best, most powerful SUV in the diesel range. So we have got a full BMW Mperformance Kit on this car, as well as it being presented in the carbon Schwarz metallic. Down the side of the car you can see the wonderful 22-inch BMW alloy wheels in the original Satin bi-orbit grey. Behind those, of course, giving you the stopping power to cope with the just shy of 400 brake horsepower from an inline quad turbo diesel engine are those huge M Sport Plus brakes. Down the side of the car, as well as the carbon side mirrors, you'll also see the Mperformance decals. Back there at the front you can see the wonderful carbon side and the carbon inlays on the front bumper, LED headlamps and the body colour kidney grills. And does also come with the sun protection glazing on this vehicle, and you can see just how clean and tidy it really is. It's a really nice colour, is the carbon Schwarz metallic, something we'll see a little bit further around the other side of the car. Inside we've got a full black Vanenskia leather, both the heated electric memory and movement options as well, all currently being illuminated very nicely by the ambient lighting, which is of course all interchangeable. We've also got the Mperformance matte option in this car, as you can see there. Although it's only a small touch, does make all the difference to your interior experience and overall look of the car. Harman Kardon surround sound of course, and the illuminating M50D door sills, as you can see there. For rear passengers you'll find a very spacious, very comfortable 3-seat Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining. Really clean and tidy inside, much like the exterior on this car. It's been extremely well looked after. Round towards the back of the car now, again showing you off these wonderful 22-inch alloy wheels. All the way around they do have the Continental premium tyres. 3-dimensional rear lights, of course now a standard feature for the BMWs, and again more carbon fibre around the rear, including a full carbon fibre rear diffuser. Rear facing reversing camera. There is also an automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then splits down as a split down tailgate, as you can see here. Once that's open, there you can see just how vast the GO5 boot space is. The seats do also fold down as well, and you can see you do get a luggage cover as well for that bit more privacy and security. Round onto the driver's side now, once again everything's lovely and clean and tidy, and now you can just see the effects of that wonderful carbon Schwarz metallic paint. So towards the front section of the car you can see it is that little bit darker blue going towards a black colour, and towards the rear we've got more of a navy / dark blue. Again, trying to show off as best as possible, all 4 alloy wheels are like new on this GO5 X5 M50D to give it its full title. Inside we've got a wide array of technology, including a wonderful live cockpit, again now a standard feature of most of the high range BMW models. If you go ahead and start the car up, we get a lovely self-rev from the engine. For a diesel, you really wouldn't know it was a diesel. If you've not had a chance to experience one, you will absolutely love the drive and the sound of these vehicles. So with the live cockpit, of course, that is all interchangeable. You can customize the way the central portion looks and both the outer and inner menus. However, I've got the most common look up there, with the central portion being the map view. Moving over to the professional wide touchscreen navigation and media screen, we'll go back to the home screen. Again, this is similar to like your smartphone interface, all interchangeable home screen widgets, so you can set that out to something of your own preference. Going into the navigation screen now, again that's going to feel really similar to a smartphone device. You can scroll around, it's a really quick system, there is no delay in that whatsoever. You can then pinch zoom and start a destination via tapping in, or still using your iDrive scroll if you prefer. Just in front of that is a wireless charging tray. It's a little bit not going to come through because it's a little bit dark there, but there is one there, so that's a nice feature to have. Keep yourself charged up when you're on the go. In terms of mileage, this car's only covered just over 13,000 miles, as you can see there. And if we start the car back up again, we'll go through and have a look at the service requirement screen. 2 recorded services from BMW, and the next one isn't due for 12,000 miles time. We've also got a rear facing reversing camera. There is also Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth telephone, as well as both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for this magnificent M50D, as you can see there. So there is a look around at this superb vehicle, and I'll quickly just pop it into the sport mode, which again is all configurable, so you can change that for something of your own preference. And I'll quickly give you a sound demonstration, because as I mentioned, for a diesel, which you wouldn't know it was, it does sound absolutely fantastic. Really satisfying burble does the M50D. So for more information on the car, if you follow the links I'll leave for you in the description, and of course from there take yourself over to our website and you can view all about the pricing and funding options available for this magnificent SUV. Thank you all so much. Do of course take care. Thank you. Bye bye.